High CPM, cost per thousand impressions. Keywords for YouTube can vary depending on the niche and industry. However, there are some general categories that tend to have higher ad revenue potential. Keep in mind that the actual CPM rates can fluctuate based on factors like ad demand, competition, and audience engagement. Here are some keyword categories that have historically been associated with higher CPMs. 1. Finance and investing. Keywords related to personal finance, investing, stock market, cryptocurrency, and financial planning often attract higher-paying advertisers. 2. Technology and gadgets. Keywords related to the latest gadgets, smartphones, electronics, and tech reviews tend to have a higher CPM due to the presence of tech-savvy audiences and advertisers. 3. Health and fitness. Keywords related to fitness, weight loss, nutrition, healthy lifestyle, and wellness are popular among advertisers aiming to reach health-conscious audiences. 4. Travel and tourism. Keywords related to travel destinations, vacation planning, adventure activities, and tourism often have higher CPM rates due to the lucrative travel industry. 5. Real estate. Keywords related to real estate, property buying, selling, home improvement, and architecture can attract advertisers looking to reach a specific target audience interested in housing. 6. Business and entrepreneurship. Keywords related to startups, entrepreneurship, business strategies, marketing, and leadership often attract advertisers looking to promote their services to business-minded individuals. 7. Luxury and high-end brands. Keywords related to luxury goods, high-end fashion, premium products, luxury travel, and upscale experiences tend to have higher CPM rates due to the higher purchasing power of the target audience. 8. Personal development and self-improvement. Keywords related to personal development, self-help, motivation, productivity, and success can attract advertisers offering courses, coaching, and self-improvement products. Remember that creating quality content, engaging your audience, and building a strong subscriber base are crucial factors in maximizing your YouTube ad revenue, regardless of the chosen keywords.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for supporting us. For more tips, tricks and useful videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Star World TV. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.